Hey folks, this is Sam Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape, and I just noticed something here in the grass around our shop, and it reminded me that it's a great tip I can pass on. So each year around this time, we'll always get calls, people asking about, I'll turn the camera around here, see if you can see this. So if you can see these little seed stalks here starting to show up in the grass. So these will, well, come on, if I can get it to focus. During this whole month of May, these seed stalks are going to start shooting up out of your grass, and they're going to be taller than your grass, so it's going to look like weeds. So again, let's see, maybe if I can get it to the side here. These little seed stalks right here. That's nothing to worry about. That's the natural part of the life cycle of the grass. So don't worry about needing to spray for weeds or anything. There's nothing that you can do to prevent this, and like I said, it's part of the grass's natural life cycle, so there's not something that you want to do to prevent it. You want to just let it go through its natural cycle, and for a few weeks you're going to have those seed stalks showing up in your lawn, but after 2 or 3, 4 mows, they'll stop producing those, and the lawn will look normal again. So that's my tip for the day. Don't worry about these seed stalks. They're perfectly fine. Thanks.